Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. Today we're going to be talking about AMC, right? So let's talk about AMC, what's going to be going on with AMC, and the potential big move that AMC is going to be making this week. So currently sitting at $9.37. AMC stock has not really been doing that well at all. Over the last week, it's down about 13.72% of its value, right? So it's fallen 6 straight days in a row, and it's also fallen ahead of its earnings report that's coming out Thursday, May 6th, after hours. I'm pretty excited to see what AMC actually does post up on their earnings, and a lot of people have been attributing the loss for AMC is people selling out of the stock. But if we take a look at it from the bigger perspective, there's a lot of it that has to do with the overall market condition. The market, generally speaking, has not really been doing well. A lot of high growth stocks, a lot of meme stocks have not really been doing that well. Tesla, NEO, AMC, even GameStop, all these other stocks have not really been doing good. They've been slowly falling, right? They'll go up a little bit, fall back down, go up a little bit, fall back down. And there's a lot of market uncertainty right now with rising bond rates and stuff like that. So it really does lead to the uncertainty. But like I said, it's a big day for AMC at the end of this week. Thursday, like I said, we do have their earnings after hours. Wall Street's expectations for AMC's earnings, negative $1.26 a share, which is still operating at an overall loss. But I do think that if AMC does beat their earnings or beat the expectations on earnings, that we're definitely going to see a bigger push up from AMC. This could be what AMC actually needs to kind of start running its leg upward. Like I said, AMC has kind of been dry of news lately. Nothing's really been going on. A lot of meme stocks, haven't really been doing that well. But what we do know is AMC's short position continues to grow. That means there's a lot more people out there, a lot more hedge funds who continue to short AMC stock. And what this means is we do know that AMC is potential for a short squeeze, which a lot of people holding AMC stock are kind of waiting for. A lot of people have been waiting for kind of the whole short squeeze news, diamond handing it, holding through the ups and downs. And like I said, it's all because of the short squeeze. Like I said, if AMC does post up good earnings, I could see a big move upward from AMC stock. I know it's kind of unmotivating to be holding the stock right now, especially if the stock has fallen a week straight. Looking at the 1-month chart, it's only down about 7%. But like I said, back to the 1-week chart, it's down 13.54% of its overall value. So this does play a huge role in why people are kind of losing hope about the short squeeze, and AMC in general. With decent blockbusters that came out over the last couple of months, I do expect a beat from AMC earnings. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But looking at it from a bigger perspective, I would not be surprised if AMC actually does beat their earnings. And I do expect a beat. I do think that AMC is going to beat Wall Street expectations. A lot of pent-up demand over the last couple of months, over the last year. People have not really been able to go to the movie theater. This is definitely going to have people flocking back to the movie theater, wanting people to kind of, get back out there, have fun. We do know that GDP is going up, so more people are spending money. Movie theaters is definitely one of the spots where people are probably spending money at. So I am expecting pretty good earnings. Like I said, they had Godzilla versus Hong Kong, which was a big blockbuster. The movie probably did pretty well. But even taking a look at their earnings, even if AMC didn't do good on their earnings or doesn't do good on their earnings, their Wall Street expectations from a year ago are still a lot better. Like I said, over the course of 2020, AMC lost $4.59 billion in revenue, losing about 90% of its overall business. This could be attributed to, obviously, movie theaters. They're a very close proximity space. You can't really operate in a movie theater because of COVID, because like I said, so many people sit next to each other. It's a very brick and mortar type business, but I do expect a run up in the coming days, even before earnings. Like I said, the overall market condition has not really been too well lately, which is why I think AMC has slowly been falling. I don't think there's been any attributed news to why AMC stock continues to fall, but like I said, I do think that we're going to see a big pull upward from here as far as AMC actually goes. Now, my overall price prediction for AMC after earnings, I am expecting a pretty big move, about 20 to 40% jump if AMC does pretty good on their earnings. If AMC doesn't do good on their earnings, I don't expect too much of a downturn, probably about 4 or 5%, which is not that much. It's about 20-30 cents. But like I said, there's a lot of people out there who are holding AMC stock. If people do see that AMC does post up big earnings or they beat the Wall Street expectation, this could be what it needs for people to start buying back into AMC stock and for the stock to actually run up. for AMC stock to go through a short squeeze, in my personal opinion, going back to the 1-year chart, we see this big jump up on January 27th of 2021. This is kind of like the gamma squeeze. You see a slow fall back down, and then we see a ride back up. There was about a month span before we actually saw this. So, it just goes to show that patience does pay off when it comes to holding stocks and stuff like that. Now, we do want to retest, and we do want to see AMC post up good earnings, not only due to the fact that we want the stock to squeeze, but we also want the credibility to actually be there as far as AMC. A lot of people are holding AMC stock. It's gotten a couple of analyst upgrades. People out there still getting a little bit more bullish, but we also do know that short positions are growing in AMC stock. So it's definitely going to be a battle of the retail traders. And like I said, there's a lot of Reddit traders who are awaiting AMC earnings. So I am expecting a lot of volatility, a lot of volume coming in the coming days. And like I said, I personally am expecting a big move upward. I personally do think that AMC is going to beat their earnings, which could definitely cause the next leg up for AMC. This could be exactly what the stock needs. We see how volatile stocks get when it comes to earnings. We saw Amazon, we saw Twitter, these stocks drop and jump, 5, 10, 20, 30% at a single time if they do end up posting good earnings. So I am expecting good things from AMC in the coming days. A lot of people are definitely going to be monitoring AMC's earnings. And like I said, this could be what we actually need for AMC to go through a short squeeze. As pent-up business and demand has come back, good box offices, 99% of movie theaters are open, especially in California and New York, which house two of the biggest box offices for AMC. I am expecting decent earnings from AMC. Like I said, I am expecting a beat overall on their overall earnings, but only time is going to tell where AMC is going to go from here. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC stock. Do you guys think AMC stock is going to beat their earnings? If you guys own AMC stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.